Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the mathematics mentor, and today let us study about rotation of axis. Our topic is about rotation of axis. What do you mean by rotation of axis? The transformation obtained by rotating both the coordinate axes in the plane by an equal angle without changing the position of origin is called a rotation of axis. What is that? The transformation obtained by rotating both the coordinate axes in a plane. So actually this is a plane and this is our coordinate axis, intersection of x-axis. So horizontal line is called as x-axis and the vertical line is called as y-axis. So this is our OX and this is our OY. They are the coordinate axes. So by rotating both the coordinate axes in the plane by an equal angle. So this OX and OY are the coordinate axes. Let us rotate the coordinate axis in the plane by an equal angle. Right? So this is our OX. Let us rotate this axis with a certain angle. This is our OX dash. Let us rotate with a certain angle in the positive direction about the origin without changing the origin. See here, without changing the position of origin. Okay, so this is our original axis OX and this is our new axis OX dash. Is it clear? Similarly, they said both the axes, right? So this is our OY. Let us rotate the axis OY with a certain angle. Let us rotate with a certain angle. So this is our OY dash. Okay, with a certain angle, that is theta. Is it clear? So that is called rotation of axis. See here, these are the original axis OX dash and OY dash are the new axis. The transformation obtained by rotating both the coordinate axes. See, we have rotated x-axis with a certain angle, y-axis also with a certain angle in the plane by equal angle. That angle is said to be theta. By an equal angle without changing the position of origin is called a rotation of axis. Here, try to understand OX and OY be the original axis and OX dash and OY dash be the new axis, right? So without changing the origin. Okay, now what you do, let us construct perpendiculars. See, this is the point P of x comma y be the point in the plane with respect to original axis OX and OY. Okay, and also P dash of x dash, point P of x dash comma y dash be the coordinate axis with respect to new axis OX dash and OY dash. Is it clear, children? This point P of x comma y be the coordinate axis in a plane. This P is a point in a plane with respect to original axis OX and OY. And what about this point P of x dash comma y dash? That is also a point in a plane with respect to the coordinate axis OX dash and OY dash. Right? So now what you do? Let us construct perpendiculars, that is L and M. See, children, this PL is the perpendicular from point P to the OX. PN be the perpendicular, PM be the perpendicular from point P on OX dash. Is it clear? Yes. Now construct MN which is perpendicular to PL. Okay, now let us join M to Q. Right? Here, what are the equal angles, children? We have XO, X dash. XO, X dash is equal to YO, Y dash, which is equal to theta. Also, here we have an angle that is LPM. Angle XO, X dash is equal to angle LPM, that is also theta. Theta be the angle between the two straight lines as well as coordinate axis, right? So that is our angle theta. Now the thing is, we have to find that point P of x comma y in a plane. We have to find rotation of axis, I mean x axis we have to find and y axis we have to find. See children, if you observe here, this is our x, right, and this is our y. See, if you consider this is y, right. What is x? If you observe, x is nothing but, if you observe x is nothing but, so this is P of x comma y, this is our x, because this point is P of x comma y, so x is nothing but OL, children. X is nothing but, this is our x, OL. X is equal to OL. How you will get OL? OL in the sense, from OQ, see this is OQ, and in between we have point L. If you want OL from OQ, we have to remove LQ, children. From total, if we remove LQ, you will get OL. So what is x? X is nothing but OL. If you want OL in the sense OQ minus LQ. OQ minus LQ. I mean x is equal to OQ minus LQ. See, which is equal to NM. LQ and NM are same. I can write as OQ minus NM. Right? Now, children, where is OQ? This is our OQ. If you consider OQM, angle is at here. So this is, actually we want OQ. This is our adjacent side, and this is our opposite side, and this is our hypotenuse. As we know that, what is the cos ratio? Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is OQ and hypotenuse is OM. So cross multiplication, OQ equal to OM cos theta. Is it clear, children? So actually we want OQ. That OQ is adjacent here. We know cos ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. So OQ by OM. Cross multiplication, OQ equal to OM cos theta. I mean, in place of OQ, we can write as OM cos theta. Now coming to NM, I mean this triangle you consider. NM, let me write here. This is P, N, M. Actually we want NM. So angle is here. So this will be opposite side and this will be hypotenuse. What is sine ratio? That is sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is NM and hypotenuse is PM. So cross multiplication. So sine theta into PM, which is equal to NM, right? So children, in place of NM, I can write as PM into sine theta. Yes, PM into sine theta. So what is x? X is nothing but OM cos theta minus PM sine theta. So what is OM, children, here? OM is new axis which is called x dash. So what is the formula for x, children? X is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. So let me write here. So what is the formula for x? X is equal to we have the formula for x. X is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Okay, this is our original axis, x coordinate x. Now let us find y value. Let us find y. So what is y, children? Y equal to, actually this is y coordinate PL, y equal to PL in the sense Pn plus NL, Pn plus NL. So let us find Pn and NL. So this is Pn, children. So this we have to find. This is our adjacent. So let us use cos ratio. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. In this case, adjacent is Pn and hypotenuse is Pm. So cross multiplication. So Pn equal to Pm cos theta. Right? In place of Pn, in the place of Pn, I can write as Pm cos theta plus what is NL, children? NL in the sense m cube. NL in the sense m cube. In place of NL, I can write as m cube here. Right? In place of NL, I can write as m cube. So let us find m cube. Here is m cube. If you consider this triangle, this will be opposite. So that I can use as sine ratio. So sine theta means opposite by hypotenuse, that is OM, cross multiplication. So MQ equal to OM sin theta. So in place of MQ, I can write as OM sin theta. Right? So y equal to PM. So this is our PM, new axis. That is y dash cos theta plus OM. Where is OM, children? This is our OM, original new x-axis, that is x dash sin theta. So let us write as y equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. So what is the value of y, children? Y equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. This is the formula for y. Is it clear, children? How to find x and y? Now, this x and y be the coordinate axis with respect to original axis. Now let us find x dash and y dash. For this, for finding x dash and y dash, we have a shortcut. So here we have cos theta, x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Y means x dash sin theta plus cos theta. So this table, it will be helpful for finding both original axis and new axis. See, children, listen carefully. To find x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. For finding y, x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Now the thing is, let us find x dash. If you want x dash, x cos theta plus y sin theta. Students, are you understanding? To find x dash, x cos theta plus y sin theta, as well as to find y dash, x into minus sin theta minus x sin theta plus y into cos theta, y cos theta. These are the new original axis, x dash and y dash. Is it clear? X means x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Y in the sense x dash sin theta y sin theta. Sorry, x cos theta plus y sin theta. To find y dash minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. This is the way we can find both x dash and y dash as well as x and y. So in this way we can find new axis as well as original axis. I hope this rotation of axis concept is very clear to you. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and like it, share it to your friends. Thank you.